Here's how to upload videos on Pinterest. So first, go to pinterest.com, or you can also launch the Pinterest application and log into your account. Tap on the create button, which is in the left-hand side of the screen if you're using the website. Here you'll get 3 different options to create a pin, word, and collage. Go ahead and tap on pin, then select choose a file or drag and drop it here. Then go ahead and select a video that you want to upload in your Pinterest. You can also go ahead and edit the cover. Then after, add a title and also add a description. You can also add a link, which is optional, and choose a word where you want to save it. You can also go ahead and enter the tag topics related to the post. Then tap on publish in the top right corner of your screen that is highlighted in red color. Wait for a few minutes or seconds for it to upload, and that's it. Now, if you go ahead and access your profile page and go to the create, you'll get the video that you just uploaded. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.